The erosion here is glaring. This is Harbour Heights in St. Andrew. Over time, the hill has changed in size, undermining the foundation of these homes and leaving others at the foot of the hill at risk to falling boulders and debris. Public defender Arlene Harrison Henry believes there is a link between what is happening in Harbour Heights and widespread erosion in Harbour Drive meters away.
It's a matter of need for proper urban planning and regulation of planning, and the need to get planning permits before you can construct houses or anything for that matter. Because we have photographs of what the original Harbour View community looks like, and it appeared to have been a very orderly community.
Harbour Drive has been featured in the news in recent times after a massive breakaway in October 2020 threatened over 20 homes in the community. In fact, at least one structure collapsed. So how could the ad hoc construction in Harbour Heights that Mrs. Harrison Henry spoke of impact erosion in Harbour Drive?
These construction sites, we notice that there is a spate of random cutting of hillsides and slopes that seem to have sabotaged the natural drainage of the land, that causes rain to come down to the lower levels and flood straight back out to the main road.
The government has already committed $80 million to control the erosion problem in Harbour Drive. But Mrs. Harrison Henry believes more should be done to ensure communities are properly planned.
And we're not fighting down anybody in Harbour Heights or making any condemnatory remarks about people in Harbour Heights. But there is need for planning. There is need for regulations. There is need for the construction of adequate drainage in communities so that what happens in one community will not adversely affect the other communities.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.